Hello everyone, today is our first lecture in the series of C++ tutorial. So in this session we will learn the use of C++ and the history of C++. So let's get started. Now the first question is, what is C++? C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performance applications. Now, history of C++. C++ was developed by Baron Strostrup as an extension to the C language. Baron Strostrup was a Danish computer scientist who created, designed and developed C++ at Bell Telephone Laboratories in Murray Hill, New Jersey, as he wanted a flexible and a dynamic language which was similar to C with all its features, but with additionality of active type checking, basic inheritance, default functioning arguments, classes, inlining, etc., and hence C with classes was launched. C++ was initially known as C with classes and was renamed C++ in 1983. Plus is a shorthand for adding 1 to variety in programming. Therefore, C++ roughly means that 1 higher than C. Now, updates of C++. The language was updated 3 major times in 2011, 2014 and 2017. And the version that was in 2011 was C++ 11. It got updated in 2014 to C++ 14 and in 2017 to C++ 17. Now, the use of C++. C++ is one of the world's most popular programming languages. It means that most of the programmers and coders use C++. Now, C++ can be found in today's operating system, graphical user interfaces, and embedded systems. Now, C++ is an object-oriented programming language, which means it gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused and hence lowering the development cost. Object-oriented programming is programming which is based on the concept of object, which can contain data and code in the form of fields and in the form of procedures. A feature of object is that object's own procedure can access and modify the data fields of itself. Now, C++ is portable and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. Portable means your source code compiles without maintenance across one or more versions of the same compiler or different compilers or different platforms. Now, C++ is close to C and Java, so it makes programmer to switch to C++ or vice versa. Now, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.